total of 4 sharps. I am missing question number 2 on here. Somebody will have to help us out on question number 2 on 5-6. But I do have the first one. Josh, excuse me, what is the median of the F major scale? Yeah, let's see. Let's
Do we
jump
have a
back.
quick review on that?
Yeah, let me tell you where it is. Jump back to
Median, subdominant, dominant.
jump back to page 90, please.
Submedian, leading tones.
Page 90. Hold your finger in the dike there, but flip back to 90. We have tonic, which means home tone, all right? It's the note the scale starts on. And then one above tonic could be called supertonic. I think it's just because it's one above. I don't think it has any superpowers. It cannot fly, nor can it bend steel. The one after supertonic is the median. The reason we would prefer to use the word median rather than third is because the third has several other meanings. When you say third to me, I might be thinking it's the third note of the scale, but I also might be thinking of either a major third or a minor third, or I might also be thinking of the third chord in the system, and that's why we probably need to get away from the use of the word third and instead use mediant, because mediant just means the third note of the scale, and that's easy enough to remember. All right, and the fourth is the subdominant. That means it's just before the dominant. Instead of subdominant, we could call it before dominant. And then, of course, the dominant comes right after it. And the submediant is the 6th. And the leading tone is the 7th, and then we're back to tonic again. If you divide the scale in half, but overlapping, I guess, from C to G, from the tonic to the dominant, halfway between there is the median. And then if I start on F, which is the subdominant, and go from subdominant up to tonic, halfway between there is submedian. I don't know if that's going to help or not. All right? Median means third, and submedian means 6th. Now, when we ask this question, I'm going to come back and ask you another question that you will know the answer to because you know your scales. Okay? Watch Josh and I do this. And we have not even heard this. This is going to be amazing to you. Josh, what is the median of F? A. Why did you not say A flat?
Because it's a whole step up.
Okay, or you could say there is no A flat in the F scale.
Maybe you need to rehearse it a little bit.
Yeah, maybe we should have rehearsed this. Matt, I don't have my number 2, so you tell me what it says first, and then you can make anything up actually because I don't have it.
Supertonic B major scale.
Do you want to do that one, or do you want to just tell me something else? You want to do that one, okay. What is, that's right, E. Now why didn't you pick E flat?
Because there's no E flat in the D major scale.
Not only are there no E flats in the D major scale, there aren't any flats in the D major scale. They're sharps, right? Yes, all right. Now, Doc, subdominant of the B flat scale.
E flat?
E flat. Why not E natural?
Because there is no E natural in the B flat major scale.
Exactly right. There are 2 flats in the B flat scale, the second one being E flat. And the leading tone of the G major scale.
Would that be F sharp?
F sharp it would be. Why not F natural?
Because that's not the note before the first note.
That's not a half step from
yeah.
7 to 8. Right?
Okay.
Very good. Or you could have said because the F natural comes from the Mixolydian scale. I know that was on the tip of your tongue.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry. What is the median of the D flat major scale? Ryan. median, which is also the third.
Would it be F sharp?
It would be close to F sharp. So close that it would know F sharp. But that's not it.
F?
Yeah, that's right. Remember, we never mix flats and sharps in a major scale. So if it's a D flat scale, there's probably no sharps in it. Right?
Yeah, I don't know.
All right. The subdominant of the A flat major scale, Josh.
Subdominant is the D flat.
D flat, that's right. There are 4 flats in A flat major, D flat being one of them. Very good. The median of C, E is right. Why not E flat?
Because in the C major scale there are no sharps or flats.
Exactly right. There are no flats or sharps in the C major scale, including the median E. Submedian of the D major scale,
B.
B. You weren't torn between B and B flat at all?
No.
No? You weren't tempted by B flat? Because, why?
Because there is no B flat in the D major.
There
scale.
is no B flat there. D is a sharps scale. Couldn't be a B flat if we tried. Supertonic of the F major scale.
G?
G is right. Subdominant of the C sharp major scale.
E sharp?
Sorry.
Oh, the subdominant.
Subdominant is 4, right? Be sure and count C sharp as 1.
I was doing,
Oh, were you doing the last one? Or the next last one? Sorry. We're on number 10, right?
yeah.
So if C sharp is 1, what would be 4?
F sharp.
Exactly, F sharp. F sharp is the 4th of the C sharp major scale, and it would have to be a sharp of some kind, wouldn't it? Because everything in C sharp is sharp. Median of the B.
C sharp.
That sounds like the supertonic to me. Actually, he's in my office right now. Would somebody like to run into my office and get James? Or you can, because you probably don't know where my office is.
No, I don't have one.
Matt's going to show you where the
Okay.
office is.
Perfect. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
D sharp.
D sharp is right. What's the question?
Number 11.
Number 11. Yes, that's right. The median of B is D sharp. And Philip, how about the submedian of the C flat major scale?
A flat.
A flat, that's right. Now we're going to just turn it around, asking the question backwards. Instead of giving you the name of the scale, we're going to give you the note, and you are figuring out the major scale. So it's no different other than you do have to kind of think, well, let's see, if I'm going to do number 1 for us. F sharp is 3rd. Then you count backwards. Let's see, F sharp, E, D, right? The 3rd is a whole step away from E, and the 2nd is a whole step away from D, right? So the answer, F sharp is the median of the D major scale.
All right.
All right, so now you can do the submedian of the C major scale.
Would it be A sharp?
It would be a something, yeah. But how many sharps or flats are there in the key of C? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm doing the old instruction. I got to go backwards. I have confused you. C is the 6th of something, right? All right. Now, rather than count
All right.
clear